Okay, hi guys. I wanted to make a quick no-sew face mask tutorial. I wish that I could sew everybody face mask, but I just don't have enough time. So all you need for this is a piece of fabric, a t-shirt, an old pair of leggings. So I basically cut one of my legs off of an old pair of cotton leggings. And then what you're going to do is just kind of fold it so that you have a nice rectangle. And then you just need 2 hair ponies. So you're going to just take 1 hair pony, put it on that side, and take another hair pony, put it on that side. And the distance between the hair ponies is going to be around what you need for your face. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to take one side. I'm going to take the ratty, uneven side. And then I'm going to tuck it into the leg opening of the other legging. Just kind of jam it in there. And then you just can kind of smooth it out, tuck it. If you wanted, you could just put a little piece of tape on this seam to make sure that it stays. But usually just the pressure against your mouth is going to make it stay. So then you've got your little face mask.
There! It looks good.
So you can use any kind of fabric that you want. Malia is going to make a really pretty one. Malia, which one do you want to use? Do you want to use this fabric or this fabric?
I'll use any fabric.
Okay, so Malia is also going to show you how.
It's so easy, even a kid can do it. So, kids' face masks, it's just the same thing, but you make it a little. And so, you're going to take any fabric you really want and put the rubber bands, 2 rubber bands around each side. And do this. Okay, that's about the right height. Scrunchy, scrunch, scrunch. Sometimes if you're little, like Carter, Titi?
His name's Tai Tai.
Tai Tai. That's his necktie. And Isla, my friends, you could scrunch this up, and then you take this, open the hole. They might not like me mentioning them. I don't know. And then put this with a hole, and then like scrunch this part up, and take the 2 rubber bands, and just too loose. Maybe they put that there, and then they move this up, which move this like here, and then you just want to adjust it until you can get it like how you want it. Good.
And what are we going to spread?
Spread love, not germs. I mean, I have a face mask that I didn't make. I have a lot of face masks, and I drawed on it, and I said, spread love, not germs, and then those little hearts around it. It's a rainbow. Bye! See you guys next time.